How to download and use Deepseek AI on Android. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can download, set up and use the Deepseek AI on any Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to download the Deepseek AI, first thing first, open up the Play Store from your Android phone and then simply go ahead and tap on the search button bottom right here, and then simply go ahead and search for Deepseek. And once you have searched for Deepseek, you'll get to the very first application, Deepseek AI Assistant. You just need to install this application first. And once the application gets installed, simply go ahead and tap on Open, and you just need to agree with the terms and condition. And you just need to set up your account first. So here I'm going to create a new account, but if you already have an account, you can log in right over here. So I'm going to tap on sign up, and you just need to enter a valid email address. And right after that, simply go ahead and create a password for your account. And once you have created your password, simply go and tap on send code, and this is going to send a verification code through this email address. So I'm going to fill up the CAPTCHA. So I'm going to enter the verification code here, and then simply go and tap on sign up button right over here. Now you can easily use the Deepseek AI directly from your Android phone. And from the front page at the bottom right here, you'll get to see the two different options, deep think and the search. So you can actually select both of this option in order to deeply research anything you want. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.